Welcome back. I told you this video was going to be long. So if you just did part one, that's great. Kind of went into a couple more details on things, and hopefully this video won't be as long because we're almost done with this Foursquare. Thanks for hanging in there. Okay, so we put in our topic section in our diamond, and then we have in our first box what we wrote up here in our first box here. And so now I'm going to copy and paste the next box into box number 2. And don't forget to add that transition word next and a comma, and you're good to go there. So recalling on our formative, I was down here on box 3 over here, 3, which is right here. Type what happens next here. Then I have my second to last box, which is from my last here on my sequencing graphic organizer. And I'm adding the word last and a comma. Last, the Mott server was happy, friendly, and played at the park with us. So I have all 3 of my boxes filled. Once again, looking at that formative, that would be question number 2. What happens last here? But we still have question 5 to fill in here on our last square, and that is your conclusion, the one that we wrote together, the one that it was a crazy day at the park. So I'll just write that here real quick. It was a crazy day at the park with an exclamation point. And if I was doing this on my formative, I would type it into box number 5 here. So now I have my entire Foursquare filled out, and I am done. Just to refresh, you did your topic or your beginning here in the middle. You took from your sequencing over here and placed each one in a different box, remembering to add the first, next, and last. And then we added our conclusion that we wrote in this last box. Thank you so much for watching. I know this is a lot, but you've got this, and you can recall that you can have both of these open so you can copy and paste and add it to your Foursquare. I'm not asking you to come up with anything totally new on day 3, just a conclusion for number 5 and a beginning topic for number 1, but the other 3 boxes you already have. So you're good to go. Good work today. Keep working hard, and we've got this. Good luck.